All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I know we took a few weeks off after hunting season, just kind of getting our bearings, getting back to work, getting baby stuff. We got a baby coming in the next month, so took a couple weeks off to get all that stuff done, and now I'm back at it, ready to get out there and get you guys some content. Today, we're gonna get the boat cleaned up, get it ready to go catch some crappie, maybe go get some trout. We've got a lot of cool things planned for this spring and this summer. We got to get the boat ready to go out and do that kind of stuff. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to get it out of storage, take it to the house, get it cleaned up, get it ready to get out there and try to go catch some fish, guys. So stay tuned. Let's get to it. Let's go get a boat clean. Guys, I can't get my stinking door down. The string broke on it and I'm having to back the boat up so I could reach the door. So, God bless, I'm telling you, it's always something, guys. It's always something. All right, guys, we got the boat back to the house. We're gonna give it a quick wash before we go get into any of the motor stuff. So let's go ahead and get it a quick wash, get the power washer out, and get some soap on this bad boy. Now that we've got this thing all cleaned up, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Then we're going to get into the motor and see if we can get this thing started and running. And I might do an oil change, spark plugs. I don't know, but we need to get it running and see what's going on with it. So let's do that. Oh, everything looks good. The spark plugs might need to be replaced, but fuel filter, that's another thing I was looking at because I'm just not getting the RPMs that I normally get. I usually top out about 45. The last time I went to Canyon Lake, I was topping out about 42. So I'm missing some horsepower, but not too much. It looks okay. I mean, just taking the hood off, taking a first look, everything looks really, really good. Go ahead and get these batteries charged up. Looks like we're at 54%. It was a little low. I could tell whenever I was trimming my motor up and down that it was a little low, so we're gonna put it on charge so we can see if we can get this thing started. trolling motor here. Everything's running good. Oh yeah, running good. I knew these batteries are probably good because I usually keep these on charge all the time. So go ahead and plug those. Come on, Dick. Got my keys. This is running a little, this is starting to get a little stiff. I don't know if it's because it's cold and that fluid in there is just doesn't want to help engage. It's a lot looser than the summer, so I don't know if it's that fluid just being thicker. All right, guys, that's it, man. We took a look at the motor. Everything's looking good. Like I said, I might change out the spark plugs and change out the fuel filter a little bit later, but she's running really good. So she's ready to get out there and do some fishing. Getting ready for this season, guys. I know it's a little short video today, but we're back at it, getting out there and get you some content. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like these types of videos, if you want to see more boat videos, more how-to videos, hit that thumbs up button as well and hit that bell notification so you know every time that I drop a new video. All right, guys, it's fishing season. It's getting warmer. We got all these freezes out of the way and we're ready to get back out on the water. So until next time, we will catch ya.